patient, welcome to my creation. Working with patience, I'm another dimension. I'm in your dreams because I am your obsession.
Raps, cops, counts.
This is my patient, welcome to my creation. Working with patience, I'm another dimension.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on a Silverado, long-time Silverado. This customer been waiting for a good while already. His time's finally here. Crew cab Silverado all the way from Greeley, Colorado. We're going to be doing a platinum install, which would be a panoramic install, starlights, and a tight window. Let's check it out. We got his Silverado dropped off yesterday. We're going to be going with panoramic rear glass electric, and we're going to be working on this back part here, taking all the moldings off. We can cut the center out for the glass and go from there. We are going to be doing a panoramic off of a Lincoln MKZ. Same thing I have on my truck, which mine panoramic is coming out. Yes, it is coming out. And I am going to be putting a bigger panoramic in it. That's the only reason I'm taking the one off my truck, and we're going to be putting it on this truck. We're going to be doing a black suede headliner. I got the visors already suede, ordered those. We're going to be painting all the plastics, so everything from here up, all the plastics all the way around. Top console, lights, handles, we're going to be blacking everything out, so it's going to look good when we put that panoramic with the new suede. We're going to have stars all the way around it. It's going to look badass. And then instead of paint on top, we are going to be color matching it, but we're going to be spraying a bed liner, Raptor bed liner, tintable, so it's going to be looking like this. He already got his rear bumper sprayed, color matched, so his roof is going to end up looking like this, textury, but color matched, which is going to look pretty bad. It's going to be unique. So we got the process of starting to take out everything that's in my way. I even think that it's got a sound system that might be in the way too. Don't know yet until I actually start taking all this paneling and all the clips that I don't need, and then we'll go from there. All right, guys, this is going to be a good build. The ultimate package, platinum package, whatever you want to call it. He's getting everything: tighten window, starlights, and a panoramic with the Raptor bed liner on top. So stay tuned. I do have this truck here for a little while until I get it done. So we're gonna start with the tighten window, get that knocked out, and that'll be one less thing on my list. All right, guys. What's up, guys? We back with the Silverado. We got the tighten window installed. We got everything 100%. The brackets in. I took the rear seats out, the subs out, just to make it a lot easier for me to install the bracket for the panoramic. Let's check it out. All right, guys, we got the tighten window installed. Check it out. Sick. Panoramic bracket is in. There's a tighten window. Like I said, I did take out the seat just to make it a lot easier for me. Everything has been installed. I do have some bracing welded to it for extra strength, even though I don't need it. I like to beef them up, even though, because it is a lot of weight on top. But as you can see, this thing is freaking solid. But yeah, it's ready for the panoramic. I'm gonna install the panoramic. I was gonna Raptor bed line it on top with the color match, just like he wants it, but I'm gonna go ahead and install the panoramic now, and then I'll just mask it off. That way I can get the panoramic installed, get the drain hoses, all 4 drain hoses installed. I already started painting some of the plastics black. I still got to take these off. I got to hook them up, disconnected from the seats, and I still have all the plastics on top to paint. So here's a little update. It's looking good. It's the bracket installed. I'm gonna shoot some primer on it, and then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get it prepped up. I'm gonna mask the whole truck off so I don't get no overspray from the Raptor bed liner, and then go ahead and install the panoramic and spray it, mask it off, and spray the roof. Then that'll be done. Then all I have left is the inside. All right, guys, this is what it's looking like now. Badass panoramic tiny window, and I believe this is a 2018 Silverado. Alright guys, we got the truck all masked off, ready for the Raptor bed liner on top. Everything's masked off. Getting no overspray. Check it out. Ready for the bed liner. I am going to spray a little bit of primer on the filler areas and then go ahead and spray it. Alright. Let me do a one coat and then I'll kick you back on so you can see what it looks like.
Perfect.
Alright guys, long time of waiting for the Silverado, picked up by the customer. Later, Carlos. Loves it. Alright guys, that's going to be it for the Silverado. Long time waiting for Carlos. Shouts out to you, Carlos, for waiting. About a year and something since we talked. Since I went down there to Greeley and actually, talked to you about what we were going to do to your truck. But finally came to an end. Hope you love it. It's been, it was a lot of work. But appreciate the wait on that one. But that's going to be it, guys. Another one from Greeley. This is the second one from Greeley, Colorado. So we got a lot more builds coming. Stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe. And we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.